Mandi recipe. For the chicken, 1 whole chicken, cleaned and cut into pieces. 2 tablespoons Mandi spice mix available in Middle Eastern grocery stores. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, salt to taste. For the rice, 2 cups basmati rice. Washed and soaked for 30 minutes, 3 tablespoons ghee clarified butter, 1 onion, finely chopped. 3 cloves garlic, minced, 2 teaspoons Mandi spice mix, 4 cups chicken broth or water, salt to taste. For garnish, if desired, toasted almonds and pine nuts. Chopped fresh cilantro or parsley, lemon wedges. 1. Preheat your oven to 375 F 190 Celsius, which will come in handy later. 2. Marinate the chicken pieces in Mandi spice mix, vegetable oil, and salt for at least 30 minutes or overnight in the refrigerator for enhanced flavor. 3. Heat a large oven-safe pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Add a tablespoon of ghee and sear the chicken pieces on all sides until golden brown. Remove the chicken from the pot and set aside. For when the same pot, add the remaining ghee. Sauté the chopped onion and minced garlic until softened and aromatic. 5. Stir in the Mandi spice mix and cook for another minute until fragrant. 6. Add the soaked and drained rice to the pot and stir to coat the rice with the spices. 7. Pour in the chicken broth or water, season with salt to taste, and bring the mixture to a boil. 8. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid and let the rice simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the liquid is absorbed and the rice is cooked through. 9. While the rice is cooking, place the seared chicken pieces on top of the rice in the pot. 10. Cover the pot again and transfer it to the preheated oven. Bake for another 20 to 25 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and the rice is fluffy and fully cooked. 11. Once done, remove the pot from the oven and let it rest for a few minutes. 12. To serve, transfer the chicken Mandi to a serving platter. If you are using, garnish with toasted almonds, pine nuts, chopped cilantro or parsley, and lemon wedges. 13. Enjoy your homemade chicken Mandi with a side of yogurt or your favorite salad. I hope you like this Mandi recipe. If you like this recipe, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, plus don't forget to press the bell icon and on which recipe to make the next video. Please tell us in the comment section.